Omo, my country people, be like say this. Omo, my country people, be like say this year's BB Naija go too sweet, like the thing go bang wella. Stick to my page, I go dey drop owenge news about BB Naija, so stay tuned on my page. Meet the first couple. Una know say they talk earlier say this year's own will be totally different, like people will not predict anything, and people coming in like the housemaid, they will come in twos. So meet the first couple. These two are couple, they are married, so no kweke for inside national TV. Even if they will, at least now husband and wife go dey do the thing and you go see wella. So stay tuned on my page, I go dey drop ogbonge news, no dull moment for my page at all. So share my video, share to your friends, your families, your enemies, anybody. Share my videos out. And I know say the larger the family, the more fun it is in here. And I'm still your one and only amiable girl, Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. Stay tuned and don't go away. Ngwano, bye.